Hello, I'm going to be doing a quick walk around here on a brand new Four Winns HD8. You can see this boat is really well equipped. A tower on board, has a windlass out front, Mercury Bravo 3 with your trim tabs. The trailer is included as well. A head on board. This boat features a Merc Cruiser 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower, JL audio throughout the boat, smart gauges, trim tab indicators, RBG lighting, windbreak. Does include all the filler cushions, the table. Your spray down system there. Flip out stainless steel cleats. Open the head compartment here. See the head, the sink. There's filler cushions for in the bow, and the table has its own holder padded bag as well. Really stylish console. And this is a 2022 Four Winns HD8.